Yo bro, do you know that you can make $100,000 a day just by dancing? I'm telling you the truth, somebody is already doing it. But stick with me because I will show you someone who is not dancing and making more money than that person. It's interesting video. Stay tuned. But before we begin, I must show off how much money I make because that's what gurus do. If I don't show you my money, you will not trust me, right? Okay, I'm changing that. If you want to see my money, how I make all the money from these videos, then watch another video, maybe here, there, in the description, or other videos in the channel where I show off every single day. I can't do it every day. Come on. I'm gonna show something better and bigger. This lady looks really interesting. Go to her TikTok and you will find she's dancing. In all the videos, different outfits. Oh, she's caught. This video and this video has same outfit. So chances are she shot them in the same day. Same session. Just posted in different days. And she's smiling, laughing, dancing, and giving one Excel tip. Do you know what's Excel? It's a spreadsheet software. Everyone needs it, all businessmen. And when it comes to business, you must be asking Mosh, how much money do you make from your business? And then I have to show you my income screenshot, like this Warrior Plus affiliate account. Then I have to take the screenshot just like the every other video and zoom in to show you the money part, that it's $78,195 in passive affiliate commissions. And I have to promise that, hey, if you watch this video, you will learn how to make the same amount of money and even more. But again, today's video is better and more interesting because somebody is dancing in front of us and she has 2 million likes, 878,000 followers and whatnot. And according to these famous articles, she is making $100,000 a day. She must be a billionaire by now. Mosh, we were talking about Excel and business. Oh yes, let's get back to business. How is she running business? Well, you can see she's dancing. That's it. And you might be thinking this video is not relevant to you because you don't dance, especially in front of the camera because you hate camera, right? I'm gonna solve that problem and you don't need camera. You just need Epic, my software. It's free to start, link is in the description. We run 20 plus channels to make this kind of money using video, and Epic is one of our secrets. It's free to start, link is in the description. That one, perfect advertisement and I love it. But again, Epic is free to start, you should get it. I'm going to show you how Epic works, but before that, let me show you how powerful Excel is. Go to TikTok and search with Excel, and TikTok will tell you about Excel tips and tricks. Click there and you will find many other ugly channels, not dancing channels. Example, this man, my father's age, at least my uncle, and I absolutely don't want to watch him. He doesn't even know how to dance. But tada! Put them side by side and this uncle has got 1.4 million followers, double followers than Miss Dancing Excel, and double likes than Miss Dancing Excel. So dance is not important for making money. The content is, and most importantly, it's free. Excel is nobody's property, bro. Go to Google. Google is free. Search with Excel tips. It's free. And all these Excel tips, like 108 Excel tips, 300 plus Excel tips, all free for you. And the best part, they come with basic to advanced plus free PDF. So you can download this as PDF just by signing up to their email list. Now I promised you that you don't need camera, you don't need microphone, but you need Epic, my software. It's free to start, link is in the description. Get access and click create new and go to vertical because we are lazy and we want to make 1 minute long video. That's it. For YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, TikTok from one video. Name it Excel tips, click create. Your vertical canvas is ready. And Epic makes videos using image and text. Epic comes with 2.7 million royalty-free images to make your videos with. So for an example, I searched with Excel and I found bunch of images. I can simply click use to add this image on the canvas and then play with it, enlarge it, rotate it, do whatever you want with it. And Epic writes his script using artificial intelligence. Put your text in the text generator, use any of these buttons, and Epic will rewrite the script for you. Epic makes bite-sized videos right here. I'm going to show you in a moment. But before that, let me delete this image. Go to one of the tips and take a quick screenshot like this. Boom, boom. Copy this text. Copy this image. Click on this button and Control V. The image is here, upload it to the library so you can use it later anytime you want. One click and the Excel tip is here. Now let's say you want to add text as well. So copy this text just to show you as demonstration. Go in the text section, click here and click add text. The text is added. Again, you can play with it as you choose. You want to add this text as well, and this text is also added at the bottom. Now you want to add a voiceover. So go to the audio section. You can click this browse button and upload any ready-made voiceover if you already have. And if you are confident, simply click this mic button and record your voice directly through your mic. And here is the best part which I like the most. Text to natural sounding voiceover. Add title Excel1, select the quality, my favorite voiceover, and paste the text you want to convert as voiceover. Then click submit, and in split second in the text to audio section, your voiceover will be ready. Play.
To do this, you simply need to add 1 to the first cell of the column and then create.
Awesome. Just click add to add the voiceover to your video clip. And basically, your first Excel tip video is ready to rock and roll. I'm just going to save it and click the render button to finish the video, and the video will be ready in the background. I'll get an email notification when the video is ready. I will download it and upload it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Wait, I'll come to the money where the money is in a moment. But before that, let me show you something interesting. Let's say I have a bunch of text, a whole script. I want to copy this script and I want to turn this into a long video in just one click. I'll simply go to the text section and click this copy paste text button and paste it right here. Make it nicer, simpler, and smaller paragraph. And look what happens. Each paragraph will turn into each section or clip or slide. Click submit and look at the right hand side. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs turned into 4 different sections. How cool is that? Now I can work on each section separately and turn each section into separate clip. I don't need video editing process at all. So this feature helps us make long videos without editing process and without sitting on the computer getting bored for a long time. So we basically have fun of working with Epic without even dancing, because the money we make makes us happy. Wait, Mosh, you just showed your software. Where is the money? I'm here for money. Give me a moment, it's coming. Before we go to the money, I want to show you how big Excel is. If you go to Udemy, oh Mosh, Udemy, I hate Udemy. I hate course. I hate building courses. Don't worry, you are not gonna make courses. Let me show you money for a moment, please. Udemy earns $1 billion. Look at this, $1 billion. But it comes from 100 million customers. Customers, Mosh, these are visitors. Yes. But Udemy visitors are different because they know they come to Udemy to look for courses, and most of the courses are not free. So these visitors have a longer attention span. They have enough patience to watch and learn from online courses. Plus they're ready to buy online courses. So these guys are customers, not regular visitors, not freebie seekers just looking for free YouTube videos all the time and learn everything for free. These are regular buyers, bro. And please don't share this with anyone. This is exclusively for my YouTube viewers. You see this 20% search traffic? These are coming from Google. Don't tell this to anyone. When you put your course, bundle of videos in Udemy, you get free customers from Google. And of course, Udemy, don't share. Your neighbors will start doing it before you. And now you can lower the volume of this video so your neighbors don't know about it. We good? Now, one of your neighbors, I don't know your neighbor or not. I don't even know where you live in. I'm just guessing this is my neighbor. And I'm very jealous about this. Because this proud, smiley looking guy, look at his smile. He made such a good money. He's so much smiling. I'm so jealous about him. Can you believe this? This fat looking smiley guy sold his Excel course to 1.1 million students at $119 price point. Let me ask Siri about it. Hey Siri, how much is 1.1 million times $120?
11 million times $120 is $1,320,000,000 US.
$1 billion. Another secret. Many students paid $7 to $9 and even got access free. So the truth is, from all these students, he might have made like a couple of $100,000 or maybe $1 or $2 million. $2 million from one Excel course? Yeah, now you understand the value of Excel, because Excel is used by serious people, business owners, officials, executives. They are serious people. They will spend money from their pocket to learn this baby Excel. And that is why all these people teaching Excel, after they learn for free from this website, I mean, it's open for you. You can do it too. Use Epic. It's free. Link is in the description. What you waiting for? By the way, did you consider giving me a like yet? I've been literally talking for like 10 minutes. No, at least for 5 minutes. And not a single like? Go ahead, give me a like and share this video. Your friends and family will love you for this. And maybe some of them will dance like her for you, just to cheer you up. Go ahead, share this video. And subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you, knocking your door. A new money video is up from Mosh. Don't you want that? Go ahead, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button. Now, didn't you tell me that you hate making courses? Let me solve that for you. Go to this course or any other course and see what they are teaching. Now, if you have zero idea about Excel, don't worry about it. First of all, buy Excel, because without buying Excel, how can you use that? And then either buy this course or learn the same modules from our beloved YouTube. YouTube is free. Literally everything that you are learning from these paid courses are all for free. Learn these tips and tricks and make your own video modules using Epic. But of course, you like to use cameras and microphones, go ahead, use it. Even dance, who cares? But in case you're lazy like me, use this. I mean, for my other 20 plus channels, not for this channel. Here I dance. Then as you publish your videos on TikTok, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, bundle them up and upload them on Udemy as well. And here is another secret. Please lower the volume so your neighbors don't know about this. Don't start your Udemy course as a paid course immediately. Start as a free course and give away for free. This way you get free students, reviewers, and 5-star ratings. Those 5-star ratings, reviews, and engagement will send a signal to Google and Udemy that it's an awesome course. That is the time when Google will send free traffic and Udemy will send free customers. That is the point when you start charging money, like $19, $94, depending on your position in the market and the pricing structure in the market. And put your link on TikTok bio like this. Like this guy is promoting his YouTube channel through TikTok, and Miss Excel is promoting her website link through her bio. And she sends all her traffic to this page. And from where you can get free 30-minute Excel masterclass, all courses, corporate bulk discounts, Miss Excel newsletter, from where she makes all that money. Now you see the money? Can you make the money? It starts with Epic. Link is in the description. Now this is just an example. Use this example for any niche you like. Dancing niche, joking niche, dad joke niche, adult jokes if you like, your choice. But man, sky is the limit when you start making videos. Now let me connect the dots for you. You see the money here in our income screenshot. All this money came from these hops or clicks on our videos, on our links, affiliate links, and from each click we make around 95 cents to $1 to $3 to $5. It varies. In this channel at this point of time we earn 95 cents per click. That's why we go crazy making videos. Boom boom, that's it. Did you love it? Hit the love button, and if you don't find the love button, then hit the like button right now. Please do it. Smash it. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and your neighbor so they learn and earn money before you, so you get jealous and push harder and make money faster. Go get Epic from the link in the description and all other applications. We make applications for you, and watch our other videos. By the way, in case you want to learn how this free AI app can make you $70,000, then watch this video. This video is free for you as well. Go ahead, watch it right now. See you in the next one.